Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. So before we start this video, I just want to point out that I burned my freaking arm, guys. Like, I burned my arm. Do you see that? It's so pink. So if you guys are wondering what that is, and if you see that throughout the video, I burned my hand curling my hair. I just stopped curling it. I was like, I'm just gonna stop. Like, no. Yeah, looks pretty red and it hurts. But anyways, today's video is super exciting. Oh my god, if you follow me on Instagram, you already saw that I am on the It Cosmetics website. So I actually modeled for It Cosmetics, and I actually did a photo shoot a couple months ago for their new foundation that just came out this week. So this is the foundation, Confidence in a Foundation. This is brand new. It just came out this week, and this is not sponsored. They did not send this to me or anything. I bought it with my money, and I just wanted to try this out because guess what? My shade is medium natural. Literally, my shade is medium natural. Like, that is my shade. Like, when you go to their website and you check out this foundation and you go check out medium and natural 235, my shade, literally my face comes up. Like, I modeled for that shade. Like, how crazy is that? Like, that is just insane. Like, I just can't believe this. But anyways, I thought it would be pretty interesting to try out this foundation in my channel. I know I don't usually upload makeup videos. I usually upload hair videos. But I mean, come on, I had to make a video about this foundation. Like, it just came out this week. I'm a model for it. Like, what? I just had to try it out. So let's open this up. But before we open this, I just want to show you guys that I also purchased the brush that they promote it with. Like, pretty much the brush that they would like recommend to use with this foundation. It has this really cool shape, and it is so soft. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. So this is what it looks like, and it has a pump, so that is awesome. I love pumps. It's better than like having to open it and then like putting it on your hands. Like, I just like the pumps better. So it says to use 1 to 2 pumps. I'm just gonna use 2 because, as you can see, I have a couple of dark spots right now that are really bad, and I hope that it's able to kind of cover them up. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2. Let me just put it on my finger first, and then we are going to blend it. Wow, this brush is so soft. So this shade is obviously my shade. So if you have a very similar skin tone as me, then you might be my shade too. But oh my god, look at that. It looks so nice and dewy, but at the same time it doesn't look too oily, and I'm sure that when I set it with my powder, it's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna just drag it down my neck too. So I think with 1 pump I was probably just fine, because I still have a lot here, but I'm just gonna add it as well because, I mean, that way I can have some extra coverage, I guess. But oh my god, I love this. And the shade is perfect. I mean, it has to be perfect, right? But the shade is so nice. Okay, so the foundation is looking very nice. I love how healthy and dewy my skin looks. So comparing this to the CC cream that I actually also have, this is the oil-free one. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. Like, I'm telling you guys, I love It Cosmetics. Like, even before the photo shoot, I was obsessed. This does give you a little bit more of coverage, and this is more just kind of like, you can even apply this like with your fingers. Like, this is kind of like, if you want a little bit of coverage, you can add this, but if you want more coverage, you can also just add more of this and build it up. And I really do like this. But this, I feel like I can wear this for like a wedding. I can wear this for like a date night, like to go out. It says all day confidence. Hopefully this does give me all day confidence, and I can just wear this for like... Oh god, I just dropped this and it didn't break. Okay, so hey, that's good too, right? I literally just dropped this, and this is kind of like a glass kind of thing, but it didn't break, so that's awesome. So now I'm just gonna do my makeup, and I'll be right back. I'm literally gonna speed through this because if not, this video is gonna be super long. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the final look. It is very simple, very easy. It's kind of like my everyday makeup look. I just like nude makeup looks, like kind of just like a lot of brown. But oh my god, guys, look at this foundation. Look how it looks. It looks so dewy. My skin looks so healthy. And the shade, I mean, the shade is perfect, obviously. But wow, I love this. I love the shade. I love the finish. I loved using this powder. This is so good, and it has SPF, so that's pretty amazing. When I set my foundation with this powder, it really gave it such a different look. Like, it looks so good. This is medium tan, by the way, and I'm obsessed. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and I just completely forgot to do an outro for this video, but I just found out today that this bad boy is already at Ulta and Sephora, and you guys already know I gotta go check it out. I gotta go see if my picture is at Ulta or Sephora. Like, I have to go see. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I might upload a video, like, I don't know, let's see how it goes, you know. Like, I don't want to get my hopes up because maybe my picture isn't at Ulta or Sephora, you know. But I'm gonna probably film a video about it and probably vlog it, so make sure that you stay tuned and that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I just wanted to update you guys also on my burn. I know, super random, but remember yesterday was like super red and pink. Now it's like a dark circle, and it's so like, ooh. Anyways, today I decided to wear the foundation again. So I don't know if you guys can see my foundation. I'm wearing it again today because I love it. I just love it. It like literally lasted me all day yesterday, and it never got oily or anything. Like, obviously maybe a little bit around here, but that's so normal for me and just my skin. But with any foundation, it gets like that. But oh my god, guys, I love this foundation. I am so in love with it. I'm gonna use it all the time. If you guys are looking for a foundation that will make your skin look dewy and just like natural, very glowy, very healthy, then I totally recommend this. It lasts you all day, and I recommend the brush. I just used it, that's why it's still dirty, but I totally recommend this. But yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this, I'm gonna link it down below, so make sure you go ahead and check out the IT Cosmetics website. I will link it down below. And yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.